Merdeka! Merdeka!
What have we heard just now? Hi everyone, apa khabar? How are you doing? The voice that we have just heard is the voice of Malaysia's first Prime Minister, Tunku Abdul Rahman, proclaiming Malayan independence on 31st August 1957. Malaysia used to be called as Malaya before her independence. Well, I am pretty excited to say that after the long pandemic of COVID-19, which has affected the whole world, finally we Malaysians especially could gather together to celebrate the 65th Independence Day or National Day of Malaysia this coming Wednesday on 31st of August. Hari Kemerdekaan Malaysia yang ke-65 tahun 2022 jatuh pada hari Rabu. The 65th Independence Day of Malaysia for the year 2022 falls on Wednesday. This year, the National Day Parade will be held at the heart of the capital of Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and the exact location is here, just right in front of Sultan Abdul Samad Building. If you are in Malaysia right now, don't miss this event. It is highly recommended. Okay, with that explained, let's move on to our lesson. How do you wish your Malaysian friends for their National Day? Well, the most common is Happy Merdeka. Yes, I know happy is an English word and Merdeka is a Malay word which means independence. The proper word for Merdeka with prefix and suffix is kemerdekaan. Kemerdekaan. With prefix ke and suffix an, however, colloquially they are omitted, and it is left with just merdeka. Happy Merdeka, which means happy independence. Another version is Selamat Hari Merdeka. Selamat Hari Merdeka, which means Happy Independence Day. Previously, we have studied this word selamat, which means to be safe, in another lesson for greetings during Hari Raya, a yearly festival for the Muslims in Malaysia. If you haven't watched that lesson yet, you should. Click the link above to watch it. Another version to wish your Malaysian friends during their National Day is Selamat Hari Kebangsaan, which means Happy National Day. Kebangsaan means national. And there are many words that are coupled with the word kebangsaan to refer to the nation as a whole. For examples, Hari Kebangsaan, Hari Kebangsaan, National Day. Bunga Kebangsaan, Bunga Kebangsaan, National Flower. Pakaian kebangsaan, pakaian kebangsaan, national clothes. Bahasa kebangsaan, bahasa kebangsaan, national language. Lagu kebangsaan, lagu kebangsaan, national anthem. Another version of greeting is Selamat menyambut Hari Merdeka, Selamat menyambut Hari Merdeka. We already know what selamat, hari, and merdeka mean. But what is menyambut? Menyambut means to welcome. If we do a direct translation of each word, does it make sense? It sounds funny though. So we could not make a direct translation, so we use Happy Independence Day instead. And last but not least, when we want to be specific, we say, Selamat menyambut Hari Kemerdekaan yang ke-65. Happy 65th Independence Day. The year 2022 marks the 65th year of Malaysian independence. In this example, we include a number in the ordinal pattern, yang ke-65, and I have explained on how to use the ordinal numbers in detail in the previous lesson. If you haven't mastered the ordinal numbers in Malay yet, head on to that lesson by clicking the link above. Well, we have reached the end of today's lesson. With that, I, Zarina, would like to wish everyone, especially to Malaysians, selamat menyambut Hari Kemerdekaan. Happy Independence Day. Thank you everyone. Terima kasih semua. Sampai jumpa lagi.
Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!